some keep a diary. Seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love.
Hi, welcome to City Flower Hypermarket.
There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy.
City Flower Hypermarkets are ready to welcome its customers to enjoy the City Flower Souq 21 Ramadan and Eid shopping.
No, no, no. Ooh, no, no.
City Flower has the best offers for you in all departments. It also has great offers for groceries, vegetables, fish, meat and drinks. During 24th April till 19th May, if you buy 250 riyals worth of men's, ladies, kids, garments or footwears, you will be able to redeem your 50 riyal gift voucher.
I feel electricity, your lighting is guiding me. I feel that I like it, no place we can hide it, so hard not to find it. Ooh, no, no, ooh, no, no.
It's a golden opportunity with a lot of excitement. City Flower Souq 21 will be holding an online raffle draw where they will be giving away 8 iPhone 12.
One of the 8 iPhone 12s through an online raffle draw.
Hypermarket customers can participate in happy hour from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is an amazing opportunity where customers can buy selected items at incredible prices.
The reason why we don't give up on our love is simple. We like the sun and moon, we like to see.
So enjoy this Ramadan and Eid with the City Flower Souq 21.
City Flower, region's #1 value retailer, is excited to recreate the same enthusiasm this year with Souq 21. Choose from over 200 plus Ramadan products made available at great prices and enjoy the big price drop offers on Ramadan and Eid products. Exciting happy hour offers on weekdays, Eid special gift vouchers, win one of the 8 iPhone 12s through an online raffle draw. This Ramadan, City Flower brings to you City Flower Souq. Relive those cherished memories of visiting the Souq with family and shop all Ramadan essentials from the City Flower Souq. Let's join hands to celebrate this Ramadan with hope and prayers for a better future. City Flower, better value every day.